All right, Enforcement Directorate is grilling Rajat Mewati, has questioned him on the finances and accounts of Sushant Singh Rajput. Also, why did he leave his job? Who used to give instructions to him to make payments? And was Ria used to give instructions? Let's get Bhavtosh live with us on that story. Bhavtosh, give us more details of the line of questioning.
Padmaja, the questioning is still going on. It's over 6 hours. Both Ritesh as well as Dipesh have been summoned in by the Enforcement Directorate today. They are the second set of household staff who have been called in for questioning. Samuel Miranda was quizzed around a fortnight back on 2 consecutive days. The reason why they are being questioned is about the fact that they lived inside the house with Sushant Singh Rajput. They are allegedly said to be close to Riya Chakravarti, but why ED is interested is for a simple reason, to understand how the household expenditures were managed, who was the person who hired them, how were they paid, whether the salary was paid in cash or the money was directly transferred into their bank accounts. More importantly, they have also been confronted with the bank statements that ED has managed to access, and also they have been asked about the statement that was given by Samuel Miranda about the increase in expenditure post Riya Chakravarti moving in Sushant Singh Rajput's house. Now, the Enforcement Directorate have said that tomorrow they will analyze all 11 and 12 statements that they have recorded so far, since they have registered a case under PMLA, and then a call will be taken when to call in Riya Chakravarti for questioning again. The reason why Riya Chakravarti will be quizzed for the 3rd time is very simple. Despite repeated reminders, she has not been able to submit documents which can show that the property that she owns in Khar East actually belongs to her. And the reason why these individuals, the 2 individuals, are being confronted, they have also been jointly confronted also, is for simple reason because they were part of the household staff, and they were aware how the money was being spent at Sushant Singh Rajput's residence.
Interesting. But is this finally going to get some clarity on exactly who was responsible for deciding Sushant Singh Rajput's financial transactions, and more importantly, the money transactions that took place between him and Riya Chakravarti, him and Riya's family? Was that being done with his knowledge or not? Bhavtosh.
Padmaja, Riya Chakravarti has completely denied all allegations. In fact, she has submitted bank documents which she claims show that there was virtually no transaction between Riya Chakravarti's bank account with Sushant Singh Rajput's bank account. Importantly, she has also said that there was no joint account that they had. But Sushant's family continues to maintain that around 15 crore rupees was siphoned off. ED on its part have said that there are certain discrepancies between her bank statements and her income tax return for financial year 2018, 2019 and 2019-2020. Any person who takes a house loan obviously mention that in their income tax return, but for some strange reason she did not do so.
Okay.
And despite repeated reminders, she has not yet submitted her property documents.
All right. Thanks very much for joining us. Thanks very much for joining us, Bhavtosh.